Hello, Coin Lady. I appreciate you stopping by my channel. Today, we will examine Ripple's second quarter report and the big news surrounding it in more detail. We will see if whales are purchasing the dip and, more importantly, if the price slump is relevant to Japan. Yesterday, the market took a major blow. Let's jump right in and try to make sense of Ripple's latest Q2 report. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Some of that will also be explained in the video. Please enable alerts if you would like to receive updates from our channel and Casper Joss Meet. In the near future, we will provide an updated XRP video. Considering all the recent developments in the Bitcoin industry, our aim is to make sure that your 2024 ball works at its peak. The result is rippling. Everyone seems to be talking about how the settlement is poised to go forward, but we have no idea when that will happen. Having said that, the contractual meeting that was originally set for August 8 will clearly not take place. Following its postponement, we will need to observe how that develops. In order to get a feel for their XRP market bra for the second quarter, I thought it would be wise to watch this video. Ripple introduced this TV due to their positive market forecast. The important thing for you as an investor is to read the fine print because it will tell you what they're trying to tell you and how the whole thing fits together. In case you're interested in reading it, I'll include a link to it in the description. Since this report is fairly lengthy, I will save you the details. More than that, it paints a realistic picture of the overall situation. Because of the domino effect, all parties involved are cognizant of the Bitcoin price and the events that have taken place. What happened at the conference is also known to us, along with ETFs. You won't need my help with that. I find it amusing that XRP was proclaimed no longer a security, as we commemorate 1 year after Gemini became a Taurus. I find that to be a really interesting point. It would be really appreciated if it could be settled within a year, preferably in the near future. The first time they were sued was in 2018, so fingers crossed. We'll just have to watch what happens. Please keep in mind that Ripple's, and not you, the investor, is providing their current views on the status of their business, which includes, as I mentioned before, a discussion of price movement and volatility. The first figure shows the XRP price and its volatility. The price fluctuated by more than 90% and varied from 43 cents to 62 cents. Please tell me why this is important. Trade volume surged as news spread that an ETF might be in the works, while other signs point to investors waiting for XRP prices to fall before getting in. Not only is the 90% volatility extremely impressive, but XRP also ranks third in USD average price and trading volume based on 365 trading volume, which is rather exciting. As a result, it's clear that trading stable currencies instead of fiat pairings is a goal with serious aspirations. Spot exchange volumes and their corresponding traded volumes are both visible in this way. We will then go into somewhat greater detail. I wanted to quickly touch on a few key points inside this. During the last quarter, news spread about the XRP EVM sidechain, which utilizes Axela as a sole conduit to acquire the native gas token, XRP, through their alliance with XRP, drawing on their established track record and complementary sidechain advantages. Along with FaldEG and several other XRPL-based partnerships, that bar has been popping up more recently. We are now entering some fascinating ground. More information regarding XRP sentiment may be found at Axela, which can link more fungible tokens to the XRPL mainnet and over 55 other Axela network blockchains. The Axela IBC link is well known to anyone who has been watching Luna's older movies regularly. The underappreciated DeFi app and smart contract capabilities will be enhanced as institutions gain access to reliable data feeds through Oracle and XRPL. I think it's important that everyone understands why XRPL suddenly need institutional access for things like smart contracts, accurate database upgrade capabilities, and more. Be aware that XRPL allows the return of some smart contracts that have been performed on the XRPL. Again, institutions are at the center of everything. Institutions can't function without them when there are numerous applications, such price feeds, or event data. The XRP guys and the EVM sidechain are both vendors of Oracle services. Remember that this was started by XRP, and they are once again solidly establishing themselves from an institutional standpoint. Here, we can see that the release is scheduled for Q3. The multipurpose token MPT standard facilitates the development of complex token structures that can use information to represent different assets and rights, making it easier to tokenize and manage portfolios of multiple assets. To be honest, I was unaware that BlackRock was even thinking about exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Ensuring efficient management of digital assets across their lifetime. Unexpectedly, XRPL will come equipped with MPT, a token standard, and a number of features that let developers leverage XRP library's core APIs directly. Additionally, not many people are aware of this. For that reason, you should read these QT reports or subscribe to the channel's newsletter. For that reason, we never let you in the dark about anything. Moreover, it makes passing reference to its stable coin, which is essential for both its future growth and, even more importantly, for the integration of additional blockchains and decentralized finance protocols that RT accommodates. Ripple will disclose test stations monthly so you can see exactly what's occurring, and an outside accounting company will audit USD, which is critical. Considering all that was packed into that delightful pub is quite fascinating. In my opinion, XRP is still a great investment. Also, I still think XRP is going to go through a really extraordinary event after this settlement is finalized. Strangely, XRP trading has experienced a 6% decline as a result of market forces. A couple big candles caused us to break out of our bull flag pattern, which led to a decline in the market. A significant drop has occurred, retesting the 200 exponential moving average. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, and it is probably consistent with Bitcoin's trend. It is triggered by concerns about Japan and the Middle East, which we shall examine shortly. Ignoring a possible decline in the markets, what happens when people are scared? Where do you stand? Buying more cryptocurrency is the answer, not financial advice. On the other hand, XRP hoarding is something that we are aware of. An instance of this is the transfer of 23 million XRP from a Binance wallet to the exchange's storage, as you might expect. We will provide you with updates as they become available, but for the time being, know that something significant is happening. Follow me on X to be kept informed. The XRP price fell because of the Japanese banking crisis. It doesn't add up to me believing it to be real. In spite of widespread calls for interest rate cuts, Japan ended up raising them. I find it intriguing that Japan did raise them by 15.25 basis points. There has been an uptick twice this year. Plus, guess what? Looking at the big picture, it's clear that the Japanese yen is one of the world's most closely followed currencies. It does, in my view, make a significant difference. Returning to XRP, its price has been low for the past few days, even if there has been a big higher. Hence, it really isn't a big deal. The financial sector in Japan has goals and is involved in the crypto field, therefore it is important to understand how this can affect our riskier assets and crypto. However, keep in mind that there are still many opportunities. The market will be unaffected by the actual partnerships that Ripple Labs has with companies like SBI Holdings and Mitsubishi. However, do you recall that among other things, we spoke about institutional resistance to tokenization? That is encouraging news for XRP. Nonetheless, I would appreciate it if you could tell me what you think in the comment section below. What do you think of the report for the second quarter? It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. We will meet again later.